me give you talk, and you never left a blue tick. Tell you want me heart, and me ready to go prove it. Tell you so, for me. She tell me something prove it.
Yes, today is Christmas Day. Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, people. So today, as you can see in the title below, I'm gonna install my wig. And I'm not a professional, but I'm gonna try a thing. Yes, I'm gonna try a little thing, and I just hope it works. I have this wig for a while now, and I'm like, the ear underneath there really bad, so why not put on a wig? Remember to click that notification bell, like, share, comment, and subscribe before continuing this video. I'll wait. Let's go. So first you need the glue, and I think the freeze spray. That's what they use right here. I think I have everything now. So yeah, boom, ready. Got to be freeze gel, freeze spray, and then wait, you just do it like so. Wait. Blow dry. Wait. So what I usually do is just get something and tie around it. To just hold it while I cut it. Not too far, but right there. And then I got this. So now I'm gonna put this right on here and tight again. And then cut the excess cap off. There you go. So now I'm gonna prep my wig. I don't know, guys. This is not a full lace wig. It's just, what them call this? T-part. Comment down below what's the name of this type of wig. But I think it's a T-part like that. And it has a band, which is really good. I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but we'll see. You're gonna need some paper towel and alcohol to like clean the freeze spray from your skin. Now we're gonna prep the wig, and you're gonna need some foundation and your brush. We making. I done this. I done this done enough, people. It done. Done your fat. No man, look at top silly. See if we can touch it. Takom. Takom. Alright, so we get some of that. And you just do like so. Yay. Just another part right there, so are the lace and the front part. Oh, yeah, this is how I do it. Understand? May I put look up here, so just to be on the safe side. So look how it look natural ish. So now we're back to this, and as you can see, it is well toned. So now we're gonna use the alcohol and just clean this part right here. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, people. We're getting somewhere. Alright, so that is that. So that is that. Somebody just sent me one text now. Okay. But yeah, that is that. So 10. Glue time. This is the glue I use. Yes. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is the glue I use. So let's do it. This look hard up. So, oh, the foundation. I'm not gonna remind me on stay so. So we need more foundation, people. More foundation, people. Yes, I'll put it right there, so. Me do something wrong. Me not freak since it's a T-part wig. Me not really need to focus on it, so don't. Alright. I'm gonna just put foundation everywhere. So pour my foundation to it. So now I'm just gonna do this. And then this. I'm just gonna add some more. Boom. So glue time. Hey. And then promise you it's gonna turn out good. Right now, people may just find this a video. I'm swear. No. Watch glue. Watch glue on forehead and on floor and on shirt and pants. No, sir. What kind of embarrassment this bad again? Go take off the pants of waist spoil. Video I forgot still carry on. The show must go on, people. My fire that hurt me still, nah, let me get a sleep day. My fire that hurt me. Oh, Father God. Well, my pants spoil up. Why, people? No, don't laugh after me. Although it's kind of funny, but the show must go on. No, I gotta get one cooker right. This is kind of hot. Me nah lie, it's hot. Frustrated. So I'm gonna make right here so dry a little bit. So I'm gonna make it dry. You look nice. I think I'm gonna cut me. Yeah. I know. Try one bob style.
Give me.
Gear? Me get it for my birthday.
Oh yeah.
Friend. Jai. I got it for my birthday. Still, oh. Mommy, I really believe I said I got stay. Me I got dry down. What a style it would that be? Clean up yourself for my dry down for my big fine. Like me feel that area. Look, it's of a buzz, you know. It just bring off my color and I'm looking someday. So I'm gonna cut this. Ja. Just tap down them side here. This no melt at all. This is still frozen. The lace ya freeze. No melt. To Rastaja. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. Look pan it melting and people look pan it good. It melts. Melt! Wanna know about Betty? Hey! Shineke. Look at it just want I don't know. But it look meltish. It melts. It look good. But stay tuned because this is not the finishing touch. So guys, I decided to like flat iron it out a bit. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Flat iron it. Let's go. You think me for cut it?
Me not cut it. Me tap for it.
I think this is coming along really good. Yeah, it's really nice. I don't know if this makes sense, but let's do. I just want to hold down this part right here. Watch all down. Watch all down. Yeah, I like it. It's coming along. I'm gonna use this for kinda. So yes guys, this is the finishing touch. It's not perfect, but this is all I install my wigs, and yeah, I think it came out pretty well. What you guys think? Comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell. And see you in the next video, because in the next video I'm gonna do a simple everyday face beat. Stay tuned.